Hey y'all, it's me, Miss Faulkner, and look at this cute little picture. Take a minute to read this. I think it's really, really cute. And you know me, always wanting to spread the love. Okay, love y'all. Read this. Make sure you read it. Read it. Austin, did you read it? Did you? Okay, today we're going to do some absolutely fascinating stuff with properties. I know you all love that. So this looks pretty simple. So go ahead and complete this on your own. I want you to go ahead and complete this on your own. So do 8 plus 17, 17 plus 8. Okay, go ahead and do that. And when you are finished, raise your hand so that we can check it. Press pause. Do the problems. Okay, so once you did the problems above, what you're going to realize is the question says, does it matter which number comes first when you're adding? So the answer is no. I'm using my little finger. It does not matter. It doesn't matter here that it's 8 plus 17, and over here it's 17 plus 8. But when we did both of the problems, we got 25. We got 25. And so on. We got the same answers with negative 4 plus 7. We got 3. 7 plus negative 4, 3. 12 plus 15, 27. And 15 plus 12, 27. So this is the commutative property of addition. It's a mouthful. Commutative property of addition. And what that means is A plus B is the same as B plus A. Do you guys feel brilliant or what? Isn't that just awesome? Yes, it is. Okay, so we're going to do a couple of these together. So the first one, 8 plus 13. What is it the same as? It's the same as 13 plus 8. Number 2, negative 5 plus 11. What's that the same as? 11 plus negative 5. Okay, go ahead and do number 3 and number 4 by yourself. And when you're finished, what are you going to do? Oh, I know what you're going to do. Look, you're going to make sure that you raise your hand. Raise it high. Oh, watch. Who showed me this? Look, you can clap. Clap, clap, clap. Raise your hand. Raise them both high so that we can check it. Okay. So question number 1 is fill in the answer. 9 minus 5. I get 4. Well, if I switch I have 9 first and 5 second. And if I switch it and I have 5 first and 9 second, type that into your calculator. What do you get? 5 minus 9, you get negative 4. Huh. Okay, number 2, 12 minus 20. I get negative 8. And 20 minus 12, I get 8. Huh. 18 minus 13, 15. 18 minus 3, 15. And 3 minus 8, I get negative 15. So let's see. We switched the order. We have 9 first here and 9 second. Here I got 4, and here I got negative 4. So if you look down here, it says, do you get the same answer if you change the order in subtraction? So obviously, no. So the question is there a commutative property of subtraction? And the answer is no way. Order matters when subtracting. So order matters when subtracting. My handwriting is so ugly. Matters with subtraction. So you can't just change up those numbers just because you feel like it. It's not going to work because the order matters with subtraction. I know you feel like your lives are changed. Okay. Now we're going to do multiplication. Oh, snap! My chicken's on the grill. Hold on. I got to take it off before it burns. Phew, that was a close one. I got the chicken just in time. Okay, so now what we're going to do is our multiplication. So go ahead and fill this in. Go ahead and fill this in, and when you're finished, what do you have to do? You have to raise your hands high and get it checked. Okay, so pause and do the questions. Pause. Okay, so from our answers, it says, number 4, it says, does order matter when you multiply? And guess what? No, it does not matter. It doesn't matter. Right here, we have 7 first and 5 second, but over here, we have 5 first and 7. And I'm not going to write these in because I bet you thought I was going to. So this way I know that you have to go back and do it yourself. So each place we get the same answer. And if when you did it, you didn't get the same answer, you got to go back and check it. So down here it says commutative property for multiplication. That means A times B equals B times A. So the order doesn't matter. So the order doesn't matter for which two properties. Order doesn't matter for what? Addition doesn't matter for addition, whoa, or multiplication. But as we saw on the other side, it does for subtraction. So you have the commutative property of addition and multiplication. Okay, so it says use the commutative property to fill in the blank. 6 times 8 equals 8 times 6. Negative 2 times 13 equals 13 times negative 2. Now go ahead and fill these in on your own, and then raise your little hand for a check. Oh, that's a cute little person. Hi. Oh, look, I'm going to put hands on his head. Look, on his arms. Hi. Look, he has a hand there. Oh, and a hand. Oh, yeah, look. See, he has hands, and he has hands for feet. Okay, moving on to some more fascinating mathematical problems. Okay, it says use the correct order of operations to simplify. Well, we know for order of operations, whoa, that is so ugly. That's just embarrassing. Okay, we know for order of operations, we have to use PEMDAS. So we have to do whatever's in the parentheses first. So let's go ahead and do that. So right here, we're going to start here. 14 plus 8, it gives us 22 plus 5 equals, got to start here, 14 plus 13. So 22 plus 5, that's 27. 27 equals 27. Pretty cool. Okay, here we're going to start. We're going to say, actually, I'm going to have you pause. Pause. And you guys go ahead and do this one on your own. Go ahead and do that one on your own. Okay, once you've done number 2, make sure you get it checked. Alrighty, number 3, 4 times negative 3 gives me negative 12 times 6 equals 4 times, I got to do what's in the parentheses, negative 18. Now negative 12 times 6 gives me negative 72, and that is equal to negative 72. Pretty darn cool. Go ahead and do this one on your own and raise your hand to get checked. Okay, it says look carefully at the numbers. What is the same in each problem? Now let's check this out. Let's check this out. I'm going to use a little arrow, I think, this time. He's not coming up, though. There he is. Okay, right here, I have 14. I have 14. I have 8. I have 8. I have 5, and I have 5. Okay, let's look at this. 4, 4, negative 3, negative 3, 6, 6. So what is the same in each problem? The same is the order of the numbers. So the order of the numbers do not change. The order of the numbers, that's a number sign. Now, what changes in each problem? Well, let's look at this. This right here are parentheses. That's kind of like a group. That's your associates. 14 and 8 are chilling together, right? But who's chilling together over here? 8 and 5. So the associates have changed. Here, I have 4 and negative 3. They're chilling out at the lunch, during break. But then the next day, negative 3, negative 3 dis 4, and negative 3 is chilling with 6. So what changed is the grouping. The grouping of the numbers is what changed. And when that happens, we will find out what it's called. Okay, the associative property for addition. What that says is that A is going to chill with B the first day at break. And then on Tuesday, A got dissed, and B is going to chill with C. So it's the same order, A, B, C, but the grouping changes. Associative property for multiplication. A times B, they're chilling. Poor little C's by himself. Oh, Poor little A just got dissed. And now B is chilling with C. Now, the question, is there associative property for subtraction or division? And why? So what you need to do is you need to think about this. Think about it. Think about it. And then raise your hand and let us know why. Okay? Alrighty, you guys are going to do the next slide on your own. Love y'all. See y'all. Hope you had as much fun as I did.